You've been hearing a lot about making passive income online. The same way you've been hearing a lot about the Partner with Anthony program. But here is my question to you. Do you know how the Partner with Anthony program works? Do you know if the concept making passive income online applies to the Partner with Anthony program? So if you are looking for the best Partner with Anthony program review, it's coming up. I'm going to share with you everything there is to know about the program. I'm going to show you how the concept making passive income online can be applied to the Partner with Anthony program. But before I dive into the video, if you are new on my channel, go down and like the video, share it, and subscribe to let me know that you want more videos like this on my channel. With that said, let's jump into the video.
Here I am inside the membership area of the Partner with Anthony program. As you can see, the courses are in different sessions and we have 30 sessions in total. And when you go through those 30 sessions, knowing what they talk about, I'm sure that you are well informed to start making money online, whether with the Partner with Anthony program or with a different affiliate program. And you can see the comment section. For the first session, you can see those comments, 1661 comments. I will order them by the newest and you will see what people are saying about the program. Look, I am committed to having success. This guy is filling out his W9. This is enjoyment. Thank you, Anthony. I'm very excited. I'm ready to get going. And you will see all these comments. All those people are happy about the program. And you know, most of us, when we go through things like this, we don't leave any comment. This is just for those who choose to leave a comment under the session 1 of the program. And this is what most people will tell you about. They will go through the sessions and tell you what is inside every session. But people will not tell you that you will be making tons of money in the back end of this program. And this is exactly what I'm going to show you. When you join the Partner with Anthony program, you will have access to the Morrison Education website, which looks like this. When you log into your account, and at the top here, this is my name. When you click here, you will see PC links. When you click on PC links and you click to expand this, you will see that there are places where you can put your affiliate links for different products and start selling this in the back end of the program. Meaning anybody that you refer to the Partner with Anthony program, when they buy ClickFunnels, you will have the option to put your affiliate link here and they will be buying that from you. You will be referring those people to ClickFunnels. When you have build redirect, you will be able to put the link here, your affiliate link here. When you have the Digital Marketing Mastermind affiliate link, you will have the possibility to put all those links here. When you are an affiliate of GetResponse or the Ambassador program or Aweber, you can have those affiliate links here. I voluntarily deleted some of them because I don't want them to be public. And the programs that are from Anthony Morrison, I don't put the link here because I'm a member of the Ambassador program. And when you are a member of the Ambassador program, what does it mean? You will be earning commission, 50% commission on every product that Anthony Morrison will be selling to your referrals. This is how it works. So if you join the Partner with Anthony program and you join the Ambassador program, you will be earning commission on every product. And talking about those products, let's go back to the dashboard and I will show you what those products are, all this. So this is the Morrison coaching, email domination, inbox inner cycle, fan page domination, all this, and some software too, mobile opt-in, auto engage, fan page builder, and all this. When people buy them, you will get 15% commission on all these if you are a member of the ambassador program. So this is one of the things people don't tell you about the Partner with Anthony program. The second important things most people don't tell you about is that when you join the Partner with Anthony program, Anthony has built businesses and continue to build new ones that he's giving to his students for free. And the first one you will have access to is the 8-figure funnel formula, which is a book that you will download and install all these funnels into your ClickFunnels account, and you start selling the book, and the money is yours 100%. The second one is the Inboxer Academy, and this is an email marketing course, which is a monthly membership course, and you will sell this. The money is yours. You don't share any of it with anybody. And the third one is the 7-figure email strategies, which is the advanced level of email marketing. This is a one-time payment course, and people will pay you $497 for this course, and the money is yours. You sell this and the money goes into your bank account. So you will have the option to click on all these buttons to download the funnels, the courses into your members area, and you start selling this, and the money is yours. Nobody is going to share this with you. And the third one you will have access to, the fourth one you will have access to is the YouTube business. So here you have a business that you will sell, and it is going to teach people how to make money with YouTube. This is a membership course too, and you have it, it is yours. And this one is your Instagram profit business. This is going to show people how to make money on Instagram. So you have the sales pages, the opt-in pages, the book, and all these you download them into your membership area, the courses, and you download the funnels into your ClickFunnels account, and you start selling this. The money is yours. And how do you get access to this? When you join the Partner with Anthony program, you will have free access to the Success Connection, which is a weekly training that Anthony do to show his students what is working right now on the internet. It happens every Thursday at 9 p.m. and you will have access to this. When you join the weekly Success Connection training, you will be given a link, a special link on which you will click to have access to this. This page is protected. You will be given also a password to have access to this web page, and from here you will be able to download everything on this page, and you start promoting them. You don't need to create a course on your own. You will download all this. It is for you 100%. Partner with Anthony program is something useful. It is something very important, especially if you are new to online marketing.
This is it for today. If you want to join the Partner with Anthony program, it will be the first link in the description of this video. And if you enjoyed the video, go down and like it, share it, and subscribe to let me know that you want more content like this on my channel. I really appreciate your time. I will see you in the next video.